Hello again. If you love woodworking and decor, today's wood project ideas is going to blow your mind. Today we will show you a collection of eco-friendly wooden recycling projects, design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's world, where sustainability is no longer a choice but a responsibility, the art of woodworking has evolved into something far more meaningful than just craftsmanship. The advanced techniques and increasing efficiency in creating eco-friendly wooden recycling projects are reshaping how we view both waste and resourcefulness. At the heart of this evolution is a growing awareness of the importance of minimizing our environmental footprint, and woodworking, when paired with recycling, becomes a powerful agent of change. Recycled wood holds within it the beauty of transformation. Discarded pallets, old furniture, construction offcuts, and even driftwood are no longer seen as useless debris. In the hands of a skilled and environmentally conscious woodworker, these materials become the foundation of new, purposeful creations. This shift is not just aesthetic, it's ideological. It's about honoring the life cycle of a material and giving it a second chance to serve. One of the key elements driving the advancement in eco-friendly wooden recycling projects is the growing availability of tools and resources that allow for precision and efficiency. Modern hand tools and compact power tools are now designed to work well with reclaimed wood, allowing woodworkers to remove old nails, sand down imperfections, and cut with accuracy. The use of jigs, guides, and compact saws enables even amateur craftsmen to work with salvaged material in a way that maximizes yield and minimizes waste. Moreover, woodworking spaces are becoming increasingly optimized for sustainability. Dust collection systems, low-energy lighting, and water-based stains and finishes reduce the ecological footprint of each project. Workshops, whether personal garages or professional studios, are evolving into eco-conscious environments where every cut, every joint, and every finish is chosen with the planet in mind. Efficiency in these projects also stems from thoughtful design. A growing number of woodworkers are embracing modular and multifunctional furniture that suits small, urban living spaces while utilizing recycled materials. A wooden bench made from reclaimed floorboards might also open to reveal storage. A coffee table crafted from an old door might transform into a writing desk. These pieces, born from creativity and sustainability, are not just functional. They become conversation pieces, carrying stories within their grain. The aesthetics of recycled wood add another layer of value to these projects. Time-weathered wood with natural patina, wormholes, nail marks, and saw scars creates a raw, authentic beauty that can't be replicated with new lumber. Each imperfection tells a story. Advanced woodworking techniques now allow craftspeople to preserve these marks of time while enhancing structural integrity and design. By combining traditional joinery with modern adhesives and protective finishes, these projects can be both enduring and eco-friendly. Income generation is another significant dimension of this movement. As consumers become more environmentally aware, the market for sustainable, recycled wood products has grown. Small businesses and independent woodworkers are tapping into this niche, offering everything from rustic shelves to reclaimed wood decor and eco-conscious furniture. Online platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and dedicated e-commerce stores provide a global audience for such creations. Customers are no longer just buying a piece of furniture. They are investing in a philosophy. Education also plays a pivotal role in advancing this movement. Workshops, online courses, and community maker spaces now offer training in recycled woodworking. These resources teach not just technique, but mindset. They encourage aspiring woodworkers to look at waste differently, to see possibility in the overlooked and value in the abandoned. As more people gain these skills, the collective impact becomes more powerful, moving sustainability from the fringe to the mainstream. Do you love this decor idea? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another vital aspect of eco-friendly wooden recycling projects is the community it fosters. These projects often bring together like-minded individuals who share a passion for both craftsmanship and conservation. Collaborations emerge, whether through co-working spaces, online forums, or social media communities. This collective spirit drives innovation, encourages knowledge sharing, and builds a culture where making and mending are valued over discarding and replacing. In many urban settings, where space is limited and consumerism rampant, recycled wood projects offer a grounding counterbalance. They reconnect people with the tangible, the handmade, the meaningful. When someone chooses a handcrafted shelf made from an old barn door instead of a mass-produced one, they are choosing story over sameness, quality over convenience, and sustainability over disposability. The future of woodworking lies not only in refined technique, but in ethical creation. Innovations in adhesives, non-toxic finishes, and sustainable sourcing are continually enhancing the possibilities for recycled wood projects. Some creators are even exploring smart woodworking, using tech like CNC routers and laser engravers in combination with reclaimed materials to push the boundaries of what's possible. Still, at the core of every successful recycled wood project lies a deep respect for the material. Wood, once a living tree, continues to breathe and evolve long after it's harvested. When it is reused rather than discarded, we not only reduce deforestation but also acknowledge that every piece of timber holds energy, memory, and potential. Creating eco-friendly wooden recycling projects, then, is not just about crafting functional items. It's about making a statement. It's about living with intention, working with care, and leaving a lighter footprint. It reminds us that progress doesn't always mean new. Sometimes, the most innovative thing we can do is to look backward, reclaim what's been left behind, and shape it into something new, useful, and beautiful. In this union of sustainability and craftsmanship, we find a path forward, one where creativity serves a greater good and where every reclaimed board becomes a testament to the power of transformation. The movement is growing. The tools are in our hands. The wood is waiting. All that remains is the will to create thoughtfully, efficiently, and with enduring respect for both our materials and our planet. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-friendly wooden recycling projects, design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.